Hey there, everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about how to block receiving messages on Instagram using an Android phone. Trust me, this is a game changer for those of you who are tired of receiving messages from certain people. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Instagram app and head over to your profile page. Tap on the hamburger menu located in the top right corner. Scroll down until you see the Messages and Story Reply option, and then click on it. Now select Message Control from the list of options. Click on it, then that's it. You are allowed to see people who can message you directly. You can click on it and change it to Don't Receive, then no one can send you message. If you are done, then just save the changes. That's it. And there you have it. You successfully blocked messages from that particular person on Instagram using an Android phone. I hope this tips helps make your social media experience a little bit better. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful hacks like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.